สวัสดีครับ What's up, guys? Welcome back to another action figure review. This one is Marvel's Invisible Woman, the premium feeling box. Who do we have here? I just told you. Okay, this is the top, the bottom. So let's go and crack her open. Will ya? So let's see the detail right here. Hasbro, Marvel, right? You see what it is. For the side, the box doesn't have anything that much. Yeah, you can see here. The side is a plain white color. Also, this one. And boom, we pull her out of the box and you see the retro packaging right there. Fantastic Four, Warning Stop, Hasbro, Marvel Comics, 4 Plus. Yeah. And Marvel's Invisible Woman, Warning, Legally Stuff, artwork of the Fantastic Four right there, and the back. You can see all of the figure that in the weight. So we have, yeah, what we have here. You can pause and read it now if you like to. The artwork, Fantastic Four, Marvel, Invisible Woman. Here, translucent plastic, which is already looking awesome. Let's crack her open again after we crack the white box one. There you go. Another one. Another one. Okay, try to cut to the edge. All right. Actually, this is it's kind of a wrong, a little wrong position to cut. But anyway, we're doing it. The retro packaging. This is how we unbox, so we can keep the box and nicely, almost the same condition that we just got. All right, you can see how we can unbox, and it doesn't really open. We need to cut a little more, some, and this side doesn't open. Cut a little more. Boom! There you go. Now we can pull her off. If we can pull this off, we can enjoy the figure. There you go. And here's a warning, legally stuff. I don't really care about it. Leave it to the side. You can see the box, and we have interchangeable hands, and we got both two hands, two pairs of hands, and invisible energy effect right here, which is awesome. So, gonna unbox. Oh, geez, I dropped it on the floor. Be careful, guys. You're gonna drop her hands on the floor. Yeah, this is translucent hands, visit hand. There you go. The camera doesn't really focus. Come on. Come on, my boy. Yeah, we have to look that far so we can see the detail. I'm gonna get my new camera for sure. This is happening. And then, Invisible Woman herself. I'm gonna just, spread it apart. And then, boom, there's nothing left. I'm gonna plug is plug it in back to the packaging. I'm gonna let you see, uh, how we keep the little packaging in the same, almost the same condition. There you go. You can, yeah, you can still keep the retro packaging with the, special way to cut at the bottom, right? Anyone who want to keep the retro packaging steady, ready, go, Mass Fury, Furiosa, which is doesn't really it does have nothing to do with this figure actually. Just a little phrases, sentence. And here we have Invisible Woman. Yeah, focus please. But if but you see what it is, right? You see how she is. This one reminds me of Emma Frost. Power, energy, diamond. Yeah, you could use her as a Emma Frost in the team, not just Invisible Woman. Maybe it depends on your creative. So we have here is like dice and printing letters. Okay, the portrait here you can see already. Right, the articulation. She can turn side to side and she can look down really far. Even her hair look up. Some actually quite far. Yeah, and she has a lot of tilt. Pop her off. We can pop her head off or not. Yeah, here you can see ball joint, invisible lady, which is awesome. Usually I get translucent boy figure, the man figure, and here we get you know woman figure. All right, shoulder can move up. I believe we really far. Yeah, that far. So now she can do a T pose, just like so, and her diaphragm joint can turn side to side, and diaphragm pivot to the side that far, and leaning back that far. Ab crunch, not ab crunch, it's diaphragm joint, but crunch forward that far, which is not enough. Not cool, bro. Okay, shoulder can rotate, and no biceps available, but single jointed elbow. Okay, more than 90 degrees, and the wrist can turn side to side. Yeah, and hinge up and down. Single joint, all body, female, but anyway, it is okay. Just okay, not awesome. You know what I mean? And the leg can split. Oh, geez, not a full split. I wish we have more than that because Invisible Woman is acrobatic character style, and she can kick forward that far, which is really far, and kick back, upper thigh cut. You can see how the figure assemble. Mm, Actually, the joint, the inside joint, which is really awesome. We can understand Marvel Legend more. Double jointed knee. Okay. Made in China. C001D. The you know the letters that we get. I don't like the number 2 right here, which is not easy to see in camera. Okay. รูปจอนี้ blend that far she can kick her own butt or not. Yeah, heel to the butt. Ankle move down. Ankle move up. Yeah, really far. And ankle pivot. No toe joy. Not cool, bro. It's 2024. We don't have toe joy for female figure, but we have toe joy for, a lot of figure, especially Black Widow, classic, vintage one that we get toe joy. Oh no, we don't really get that actually. Okay, superhero landing, Invisible Woman, which is really looking cool. All right, there you go. Invisible Woman 360 rotation for you guys. Yeah, she can do a superhero landing just like so. Let's see you guys in the next episode real soon. Bye.